The tragic death of a +2 arts student from the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences case has shocked the village of Nuapada. The student's lifeless body was discovered at the hostel in Bhubaneswar on Friday, raising concerns among locals. Villagers are now calling for a thorough investigation to bring justice to the student's family. Following the discovery, Bhubaneswar Infocity police have confiscated the body and launched a detailed investigation into the incident. While authorities have not yet issued an official statement, there is hope that the investigation will uncover the truth behind the student's untimely death. The student, who was known for their cheerful and hardworking nature, hailed from Nuapada district. The sudden loss has left villagers in deep shock, with many questioning how someone so full of life could have met such a tragic fate. The body has been sent to AIIMS Bhubaneswar for post-mortem, which will be conducted in the presence of the student's family. Authorities continue their efforts to uncover the facts surrounding the death.
किए जाने आगे हटा तो आमे कहि नहीं पारू
তদন্ত হওয়ার কথা
हाय
কানা
कदन हला पर काना तार रिपोर्टटा मिलू ही हेतकी बोले जणा पड़वा
আচ্ছা তো ইনো কিন কিন যাইছন ভুবনেশ্বর
एनो हमर नहीं जीवार जणे थिला न
ইসার পরিবার রকে কে যাইছন
सब गाड़ी